Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are well. So today I'll be showing you how I made this very tasty, delicious, finger licking barbecue chicken wings. Alright, so to dive right in, these are the main ingredients. I'll be using about 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, curry powder, chicken bouillon. I'll also be using some BBQ sauce, some honey, about 50 mils of honey, and for the barbecue sauce, depending on your preference, I would say maybe about 90 mils of that, right? I'll also be using some chili flakes as well. I'll be infusing that just to give it a bit of heat. I'll also be using Knorr aromat for my seasoning, 1 lemon, soy sauce, and of course the main ingredient there, which is the chicken wings, which has been washed and set aside. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just cutting the lemon in half. I'll then be extracting the lemon juice from the lemon and then pour that over the chicken wings. The lemon juice helps to give the chicken wings some flavor, as well as helps to tenderize the chicken wings. The next thing will be to tip the spices into the chicken wings. So that will be the smoked paprika, the curry powder, and chicken bouillon. I'll marinate that in very well and then cover with a cling film. I'll then pop that into the refrigerator to marinate further for another 1 hour. Right, so after the chicken wings have marinated in the fridge for 1 hour, now set them on a parchment paper in an oven tray, pop them into the oven and allow to cook at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes. Okay, so whilst the chicken wings are cooking in the oven, I'm going to show you how I make my own special barbecue sauce that I use to glaze or baste the chicken wings. Alright, so you'll need about 1 tablespoonful of soy sauce. You can use dark soy sauce or a light one, it doesn't really matter. So 1 tablespoon of that into a bowl. The next thing you'll add barbecue sauce. I don't know, maybe about 90 mils of that. It depends on your preference really, into the bowl as well. Add about 50 mils of honey into that same bowl. Add some chili flakes. I love my barbecue chicken wings to have a bit of spice in it. And so you can decide to add very little or quite a lot like me. And then mix that all together, set aside. When your chicken wings are ready, all you have to do is just glaze your chicken wings with a specially prepared barbecue sauce. Okay, so now the chicken wings are cooked and are ready to be glazed. So what you need to do is just set them aside to cool, maybe for about 15 minutes or 30 minutes before you then begin to glaze with my specially prepared barbecue sauce. Okay, so once you've basted one side, then just flip the wings over and then baste the other side with the barbecue sauce. Right, so after you have glazed the chicken wings with the barbecue sauce, just pop that right back into the oven and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade, just so it caramelizes the barbecue sauce and helps to give it this shine and glaze, and it looks absolutely scrumptious.